Hi, and welcome to our latest build in Rialto, California. We had a very small space to work with, so we tried to get a lot of bang for our buck. We had a corner tub, and we switched it to a freestanding tub. We had a small shower, and we were able to make that a little bit bigger. We had a standard height vanity that we were able to raise the height on. We replaced the cabinets over here at the vanity area and reset the sinks at different locations. They were about in the same place, but they had to be moved a little bit to accommodate for this new wall here. We added this new wall so the countertop died into the wall instead of just falling off in the shower, because then you don't know what to do with this glass panel. You have a glass panel that goes to the floor, and you have cabinetry on the other side, and you either create a little space right here that is a nuisance. So instead of that, we built a little pony wall, and then that way the tile is nice, it ends nice, and then the countertop can end nice into the wall. The shower is about the same size, and we actually grew it a little bit this way. The design we went with for this shower is a 6x18 subway tile. Then we went with a blue mosaic band. We installed a rain shower head. This is a wall-mounted rain shower head, so it gives you the same effect as a ceiling-mounted shower head, but since we do have a vaulted ceiling here, you know, having a pipe coming out, number one, it'd have to be a really long pipe, and we just thought this aesthetically looked better. We did tile up to the vaulted area on this side, and then just tiled up to the ceiling on that side. So there used to be a door here, and having the pony wall made the space smaller, so we changed the door from this direction to this direction. When you hinge a shower door on the wall side, you don't have to have a header. If you hinged it here, you would either have to have a stabilizing bar or some kind of a header. So to have it more frameless, hinge it on the wall, and you solve that problem. And we laid it out to where the door does open up all the way, so it gives you access, you know, to get out of the space. For the fixtures in the shower, we just went with a rain shower head, and then we just have a single valve here just to control this. We don't have any other fixtures in here. And then we did a 2-bay niche. This is the larger one, and this is a smaller one. So this is a 15-inch bay, and this is a 13-inch bay. So you have different options for that. And as you can see, the band is really beautiful. We did a 6-inch band so that it really shows well in the space. The client and I decided we only needed one band to make it work, so that's what we went with. The shower floor is a 2x2 mosaic matte finish porcelain. It is meant to mimic cross-cut travertine. It looks really, really good with the navy blue color that we have for the accents. The tub area was a corner tub that you'll see in the before pictures. We wanted a freestanding tub because they look a lot nicer. So we found this freestanding tub, and it's a pretty small freestanding tub, but it fits the space really, really well and gives us room to make everything else work. It has a little chase in it. As you can see right here, these are deck mounted fixtures. So it actually has a little chase inside the tub, so we can run all our rough plumbing up in here, and then we can deck mount the faucets here. So we didn't have to do any wall mounted faucets. For the vanity area, this is a stained cabinet. The finish is called Sea Drift. It's kind of a gray finish, but so it has that more contemporary look, but you still see the wood grain through it. It kind of gives you that warm feel and that wood grain feel, which is really nice. This door is called Pallanza, and it is a shaker door. And we went with the slab drawers, and then we matched the faucets with chrome hardware. Everything we do is, you know, full extension and soft close. For the countertop, it's called Luminesce from Dal Tile is the supplier. This is a quartz countertop, so it's going to be really easy to take care of. It's got a 4-inch splash on 3 sides, square sinks, undermount sinks, so it makes it really easy to clean things into the sink. And then again, Moen faucets to match the hardware here. For the back of the vanity area, we went with a client provided mirror, which is a really cool mirror that they found. And then this is a fixture that we provided, you know, just a really nice fixture that fits in with everything else. Again, finished in chrome to match everything else. On the opposite side of the vanity is a little makeup counter. So we replaced it with a drawer, and this we had to custom make the drawer to fit the space because this is a smaller wall here. So we don't have the regular 21-inch depth like a normal vanity cabinet. So we had to custom make this for that. And then we added the client provided mirror and lighting fixture above, and again the matching countertop, which matches the other vanity countertop. And that wraps up our latest build in Rialto. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.